So I got a lot of things from the thrift store. There's gonna be 4 projects. First, we have our first item. It is a jewelry box. Its color is around like red brown. We're gonna be transforming this to a white gold jewelry box for Maya's room because that is her aesthetic.
I honestly thought that sanding this down would help before spray painting, but I was using 220 grit and this did nothing at all. Honestly, A for effort though. Over here, I am taping down the sides just to create an easy way to spray paint everything. I used frog tape to cover the glass. Obviously, I don't want to get any spray paint on that. Went ahead and spray painted that. So I started with acrylic paint and then I quickly realized that this is not gonna do it, and so I went to Home Depot and found some metallic lustre. It's champagne, not gold though, but this did amazing. I covered up the first one and then went ahead to the second one and it looks gorgeous if you ask me.
Second item is we have these 2 planters. We're gonna be making these a little bit more of an aesthetic planters. They are not the same length and I kind of love that.
Yeah, maybe one can be like white and one can be black.
Yeah, we'll see.
I called these planters, I don't know why, but you could probably use them to propagate some plants. But sanding this one down was definitely a good idea. I used this satin white ultra cover. All the spray paints that I use are both primer and color, and so it helps so much more. I let it dry off between coats, so over here I'm giving it a second coat, and then here you can see my hands, how dirty they got. Then over here you can see me, this is going too fast, giving it a color to match the basket.
So the third and fourth items are a candle holder and a wooden bowl. What I'm thinking of doing is putting them together. So that's all you need to know about these.
I definitely should have cleaned off the wax from this. When I spray painted it, there was some wax left on it and so it gave it a weird color. So I'm spray painting here, but I had to clean it afterwards and spray paint it again.
The fifth item that we got is this lovely basket. It makes a lot of noise, but it's not going to be carried. What my plan is to do is to stain it and also color the top part, or maybe the bottom part. We'll see, whatever looks more aesthetic.
This was so risky. The spray paint could have easily gone under the frog tape, but it didn't, so awesome. Make sure you get also bonds with plastic for this basket because it's not wood, it's kind of a finished wood. It feels more on the plastic side, and so this kind of spray paint will definitely adhere to it much better. It worked out perfectly fine actually, so I'm happy with that. Yay!
Okay guys, so that was my thrift flip home decor video. It's my first time flipping things from the thrift store. That's a tongue twister. I hope you liked it. I'm definitely going to be doing a lot more DIY home decor videos because I enjoy watching them, enjoy creating them. Obviously, outfit change because these videos take more than just one day to create. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, DIY, do make sure to check out my IKEA video. I have that right there. Subscribe to my channel, give it a like if you enjoyed it, and have a good day.